Can Python control real electronics? Look what happens when I finish this video. Python say 1, LED turn on. Python say 0, LED turn off. Simple, but this is how all robot works. Namaste everyone, I am Pons and you are watching Ice and Input. So I know electronics, but the Python, I am still learning. And today I am starting something new. I am going to combine my electronics knowledge with Python programming. By the end of the video, I'll control this LEG using Python code, and honestly, I am little nervous because I am still learning, but that's the point, we'll learn together. This is day 1 of learning Python by building real projects. So basically, Python is sending command from a laptop in 1 and 0 binary form, and Arduino is receiving those commands and controlling the LED. It's just like Python is the remote and Arduino is the device. This is how all robot works. Let me show you the connection. It's very simple. First of all, plug LED into the breadboard and then connect resistor 1 pin to LED's long pin and another to Arduino pin number 13. I am using this 350 ohm resistor for LED safety purpose. At last, connect LED short pin main cathode pin to Arduino ground. First of all, you need to be clear, you can directly send Python code to Arduino Uno. The Arduino understands C++, not Python. Now open Arduino IDE and then copy this code. Here is the code. I will explain this code in simple way. First of all, we need to understand what is the serial begin. The serial begin 9600 is our communication speed. Okay. The pin mode 13 min were set Arduino 13 as a LED's positive supply. Here is the body tube for infinite communication with C++ and Python. This line help us to check Python send something or not. If Python send any command, this command is read by the serial.read function, and if the command is 1, LED is turned on, else LED is still off. Before uploading this code, plug your Arduino and choose right board and port. Here you can see I am already selected my port input, so make sure you select in right board input, otherwise you get an error. Now it's time to verify this code, and now upload this code in Arduino. Okay, now Python part. This is where we send command. First we need to install something called pyserial. It's simple, just open terminal and type pip install pyserial and press enter. You will see something like successfully installed pyserial, but I already installed pyserial, that's why I get a requirement already satisfied. You think why pyserial? Because this library helps us to communicate Python and Arduino using serial port. Pyserial is just like a translator. It converts Python command into something Arduino understand. Now it's time for the real code. Here I already wrote this code and I am explaining every single line of this code in simple word. No confusion. Let's start. First of all, we have the import serial. The serial libraries help us to communicate Arduino with Python code, and the import time is we are just delaying time in our code. Now we are making a variable for calling us pyserial. Name is Arduino. You can write whatever you want. The COM3 is your laptop port where Arduino is connected, and the 9600 is our serial communication speed. Here is the important things you need to write in there, your port, not mine. You can have it COM4, COM5 or COM3. The easiest way to find your port is just open Arduino IDE, then connect Arduino by USB and click tool and then port. You will see something like COM3. My port is COM3, that's why I write COM3 in Python code. The print statement is just for you. Python just show this text on screen, so you know what to type. This is completely optional, not requirement for LED, but good for user. Now the main part of this code, here is the while loop. I have the simple input function, names command. If the command is q, print goodbye and then break the all other loop. Elf command is 1, Arduino.write b1, mean now we're calling our serial libraries using Arduino variable. In b1 the b is byte and 1 in byte number. It's because Arduino understand byte, not normal text. Then LED is turned on. Elf command is 0, Arduino.write. Now again we are calling our serial libraries. Then b0 mean b byte number is 0 now. If this condition is true, now LED is turned off. Else if you are trying to enter other letter numbers, the else condition is now going to true, and so as this try 1 0 or q. At last Arduino is closed. Now it's time to check our code. Okay, run this code and wait 2 seconds. Enter 1, LED is turn on. Enter 0, LED is turn off. Now enter q, say goodbye. See, this code is completely work. Okay, before we go, let me quickly recap what we learned today. In next video we are adding the button or switch to control LEDs.